I got hiccups. In today's video, we're playing a game called Silent Still. Silent Still is a first-person psychological horror game that delves into the terrifying experience of sleep paralysis and nightmares. You will feel the true horror that sleep paralysis can bring and the overwhelming fear it instills in a person. Beautiful people, how you doing? It's Big Sam. So sleep paralysis, let me know if you get that. Holy shit, it's loud. Because I personally got it one time. And it wasn't the best experiences. I felt like somebody was watching me. And I could not move. Okay? I could not move. So I can't imagine this game being fun to play. But we're still playing it. Okay. It has been a very tiring day at work. Lights. I see light. Boom. Okay. It sounds like there's a car outside. Okay, light. Boom. Okay, the fan is making noise. I bet. So we have to walk in here. Put your bag on the couch. Put my bag on the couch. How do I do that? Oh, okay. Now what? Alright, I need to pee badly. Well, get off the table, gang. You got no table manners, bro. Let me know in the comments, yo, if you've got sleep paralysis. Like I said earlier, I personally had sleep paralysis one time. I don't have it often. I have it one time. Oh, wow. I'm not a fan of these doors, gang. Okay. So, why did it give me the mouse indicator here? Why? Okay, no reason. Alright, pee. Alright, clean toilet. Ew. I feel like I'm third wheeling right now. Okay. Very good. What? It's better to always turn off the bathroom lights. This month's bill is ridiculously high. Alright. I guess whatever you say, dude. Okay, so now what, dude? Now what? I turned off the lights. Should I turn off this light too? Have to turn off the other lights? No? Bag? My bag? This is a nice house. It's too... I wouldn't say it's too small for my liking. I probably wouldn't have a family here, but I would like chill here myself. I like this place. Like I said, as you get older, you gotta have your own spot, you hear me? I gotta have a bigger kitchen. I like to cook. Alright, what the hell's here? Hello? I need to change my clothes before going to sleep. I bet. Say word. Hey. Clothes. Nothing. I bet. Here. Click. Oh my god. Light. Nice. What the hell? I got detergent in here? In the place where I changed my clothes. Oh, this is a laundry room? I mean, I don't see a laundry machine. I guess. Okay, whatever. I don't know what kind of room this is. This is a bad closet. Alright, changing clothes. What now, dude? I should turn off the light in this room so I can sleep easily. Alright, bet. Say what? Oh, in the room? Oh, okay. So here? Okay. So, sleep time. So, we're about to get sleep paralysis. Because that's what this game is about. And I guess some demon's gonna haunt me when I'm sleeping. Are those my feet? Am I sleeping on top of the bed? Oh my god. No wonder you get a sleep paralysis, bro. Damn. Alright, bro. You need to, you know, squeeze one out before you get sleep, gang. Oh man, I can't do that for you. I might have to quit the game if that has to happen. That's why you get sleep paralysis. That's why you have to jerk off, my guy. Alright, what's going on? What's going on, gang? You. Did you hear that? Was that in the game? You. Oh, I had to click the mouse. Okay. Sleeping. Okay, I'm about to get the paralysis. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. We're about to be paralyzed. The first experience. Oh wait, I can't move or speak. What's happening? You're paralyzed. Hello? Huh? There's no voice coming out of my mouth. What should I do? Am I really awake? Yes, you are, stupid. Motherfucker! Somebody knocked at my door? Is that the demon? It's my wife? I got a wife? Oh, sweetheart, she's in the kitchen. She trying to make me a meal. I ate already. Yeah. I ate already, baby girl. Alright, come to bed. Take me out of this paralysis. You know the vibe. Yo, sweetheart. Come to bed, you. Baby girl. Come to bed. Oi. Okay, love. Come to bed, you. Come to bed. Yo, stop turning off the lights, gang. You know the vibes. Didn't he say he had to turn off all the lights because of the bill? He left every light in the crib on. So am I just gonna lay here? I ain't gotta do anything? I'm pressing buttons, you know the vibes. Oh my motherfucker. Who is that in the kitchen? That's my wife. Hello? Baby. You don't need to cook me food. Oh my god. Yo, bro. You know the vibes. Okay. Motherfucker. Yo. Sweetheart. Can you come here? Yo, I feel like I can't do anything, bro. I can't move. I'm pressing all the buttons. Escape? Oh no, that's how I pause the game. Yo, if I just quit the game, I can wake out of a sleep paralysis, right? Yo, bro. I don't know what to do. I can't do anything. Do I click a button? Oh my god, okay, I have to activate her till she moves closer. So every time I turn away, she comes back closer? Oh my god, yo. Answer me. What the? She's right there. Okay, she's not there anymore. So that's probably not my wife. It might be my ex. That's when she's all weird. Oi, oi. Hello? Hello? Okay, it's just a video game. Yo, relax, guys, relax. I know y'all scared. It's just a video game, bro. Oh my god, dude. Somebody's humming. Hello? Try to move your body. Yeah, say word. Say word, say word. Oh, I can move, bro. Move, dummy. It's not working. Okay, I still can't move. Okay, bro. Come on. Come on. Focus, focus. Hey! Whoa! You heard that? Somebody's here? Nobody's Oh god. What the hell? Okay, it's all black. I don't know what to do. I can't press a button, gang. Oh my god, nice. Nice lights. Nice lights. Nice lights, dude. Okay. Okay. Where do I go? Nice lights. I can't press a button E to move my body. No. What do I do, bro? It's really nice. This is nice. Look at my stupid feet, yo. Why are my hands orange and my feet black? Am I a cyborg? Alright, where do I go from here? Just turn off the lights, stupid. Turn off the lights.
Six and a half hours later.
Bro, I have hiccups, bro. I got hiccups. I have hiccups, bro. Oh man, that was the worst. That was the worst jump scare. I have actual hiccups. 3 days later. Wow, that was terrible. That was the worst jump scare. Turn off the lights, stupid. Turn off the lights. Sleep paralysis. I can't even talk. Okay, sleep paralysis. Oh, stop blacking out. Andrew Toxic. I'm hungry. I should eat before going to sleep. Bet. Let's go. Come on. Okay, eat. There was a pizza box on the table. You still got it there? You nasty ass bastard. Oh no, you cleaned the house. I like that. Good job. Okay, he's hungry. You should eat before going to sleep. So, fridge? Kitchen? Fridge? Fridge. Let's go. Oh, okay, fridge. Yes. Wow. Okay, so what a nasty fridge. Why do you have plates in your fridge? That's supposed to go in here, in the pantry. What is wrong with you? No wonder you have sleep paralysis. You deserve sleep paralysis. Okay. Close the fridge. Okay. God, these noises, bro. Oh my, yo. Stop moving so loud, bro. Okay, wow, what the hell is this? Sausage, mashed potatoes, and a baguette. Oh my god, you don't have a microwave? You eat bad food, bro. No wonder you get sleep paralysis. It's because you eat bad food. This is terrible. Cold bread? What? Yo, this is the hardest part about this game, bro. Pressing E. Holy shit. Come on. Come on. Go. Oh, come on. Almost there. Almost. Right hand. Different hand. Switch it up. Holy shit. This is the hardest part. This is the hardest part of the game. Oh my god. Almost there. Oh, come on. Ah! Yes! God, I'm so full. I feel sleep. Oh my god. He's full. And he feels sleepy. I can relate. But the problem with him is he sees a demon in his sleep. I don't be seeing the demon. Actually, no, touch wood. I don't want to jinx myself. Okay, so she's sleepy. She be going to sleep, then I guess. So we going to sleep? I can't sleep with the lights on. How, bro? Did you not see what I saw? What you saw gave me hiccups, bro. Okay, so we turn the lights off. Alright, time to go to bed. Press space to sleep. Alright. Okay. Alright. Round 2, guys. Round 2. Alright, click the button to sleep, right? That experience still terrifies me. I don't want to go through it again. You're going to. We're playing a video game, bro. You're about to get fucked up. Alright, press the button to sleep. LMX2. What the hell? What did that mean? Oh, okay, there we go. Boom, here we go. Nice. Sleeping. Out of body experience. Oh man. Okay. Bro, it's so loud. Oh, okay. Fuck, not again. Am I experiencing nothing? Ew, you got a dry ass mouth. I heard every noise right there. This is terrifying hell. I need to wake up. Okay. Wake up. E. Nope. E. Yep. E. Come on. Move. Okay. I guess we gotta wait. We gotta just wait. Wait till something bad happens. Hello? Demon? Where you at, you? Okay, she's here. Bro, you be getting sleep, bro. You just gotta stop sleep. You gotta take perks, bro. The TV. Hello? Oh, she turned off the TV. That's good. That's good manners. At least she turned it off. She was mindful of my sleep. Or lack thereof. Oh, wow. Nice. Turn off the lights in the room next to me. Nice. Yeah, nice. Alright, come on. Demon. I'm not scared of you. You think I'm scared? You think I'm scared of you, baby girl? Oh, wow. Nice. You turning off. This is goddamn terrifying. Yeah, you're damn right. It's terrifying. I still got the hiccups. Fucking shit. Come on. Pull up, yeah. Okay. Okay. Bro, this jump scared me already, bro. Please. Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Okay, it looks like I have to move the camera. This is terrifying. Oh! Oh! Okay, you see that? Y'all see that shit? Okay, I don't. Hey! Hello? Oh wow, she's not there anymore. Oh wow, it's pitch black. Okay. Alright, nice. Okay, the closet light. This is not. I don't like the closet. I like the room light. Hello? Demon? Oh, okay, she's in the kitchen. Hello? Wow, she's a scary bastard. I want to wake up already. I'm so terrified right now. Please stop. Well, she's not gonna listen to you, dickhead. Oh, yo, I just got chills. She's gone. She's walking. She's crawling up the stairs. I don't see her. What? What happened? Oh, E. Come on, Sid. Come on. Get up, Sid. Come on. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to move again, huh? What's the point of... What? Your body feels floating? If you guys have sleep paralysis like this, you need to see a doctor. Okay, I am floating. Wait, how am I? Is that me sleeping? Hey, yo. Okay, this is like Insidious. Remember in that movie Insidious? Okay, nice. Nice. Let's walk. This breathing is crazy. I hope you guys don't hear it like me. Hello? Where the hell do I go? Bro, what the hell do I do? Do I have to eat? Do I have to eat food? That noise was coming from my room. Okay. Bro, this breathing is going nuts, bro. I swear to God, it's going nuts. Hello? Oh, go back to bed. Go back to bed. Oh. Wow, what a creepy bastard. Okay, go back to bed. I just got chills, bro. Goosebumps and shit. Space. Oh, E! Fuck. Oh, don't do this to me, please. Don't do this to me. Come on, Sid, come on. Oh, man, I'm gonna get fucked. I'm getting fucked fast. I know it. I feel it. Did he? That was probably the second worst. The first one was worse. That was by far the worst. Wait, it's nighttime already? I lost track of time. Oh my god, okay. So he finishes work. It's nighttime. Should I sleep now? No! No, wait, I forgot. I need to submit this report to the office tonight. Oh, okay, good. I should go now so I can get home early. Oh, we have to go to the office? Why can't you just do it online? Everything's online nowadays. Your office is old school. Okay, get the report. Pick up your what? Something. Pick up your bag. Something before going to work. Okay, pick up your bag and report before going to work. I bet. Boom. So we got our bag and report. So now we gotta. I'm assuming get the hell out of here. You know what's funny? Is that the second jump scare took away my hiccups. I don't have hiccups anymore. Yeah. Oh wow, that's actually fire. I didn't even notice that. The second jump scare took away my hiccups. Wow. Where do you work, dude? It's a nice place. This office is so quiet as hour. The night shift really helps me unwind from the stressful work. Okay, great. Nice to know. Okay, wow. Look at this nice office. Where do you work, bro? Use E to use the PC and shift to exit. What PC? Okay. Let's just one thing at a time. Oh, shift is how you sprint. Okay, shift. Okay. Do you hear my footsteps? I sound like a little bitch. Why am I walking like that? Like, bro, take some steps, bro. Real stepper. Big stepper. Taking little ass steps, gang. That's why the demon be catching you. Okay. PC. E. Dual monitors. Alright. Can't wait till I have that set up. Oh, this looks nice too. Man, I don't know anything about this stuff. I be seeing influencers have shit like this. I don't have that. I just have a laptop. Okay. Okay, so I guess it's in this room. Yo, relax, gang. Damn, I got mad. I threw it open. E? It said use E. Dual monitors, nice. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, I gotta get that for my laptop. Oh, yeah. But I can no, actually no, why? Yeah, you gotta have a keyboard at the bottom because you can't really type when it's like that. It's like a display. Oh, okay. Okay. Damn. Oh, I thought there was a photo frame. Someone got. Okay, okay, never mind. Okay. Oh, E. Hey, yo. Oh, wow. This is weird. This is like my computer. Okay. Press any key to log in. It's a dolphin. Hi, dolphin. Hi. Okay. So we have to submit the report. So where do we go to submit the report? What? How do you submit the report? Hello? How do you submit the report? Bro. Hello? Call. Man, what the hell is going on? Alright, so download. Emails. Dr. Wow, what the hell? Dear Mr. Kenneth, I hope you'll find you well. We're thrilled to inform you that we are reviewing your application and portfolio. We would like to offer you a position as a freelancer with freelance movement. Your skills and experience are an excellent fit for the team. We're excited to have you on board. Move forward. Interview process, resignation letter. Oh, okay. I want to switch jobs, but this has nothing to do with me. Once you receive this email, please let me know your website developer has created. It has already been published online, so kindly check his webpage for functioning properly. Alright, let's go with that. Oh, I can't. It sounds like a link. What a stupid ass. My boss. My boss sent this, and Angelica sent me this. Bmail.com. The company 333. Bmail.com. Nice. Okay, web browser. Wi-Fi. Oh, we don't have Wi-Fi. Damn, I gotta use the bottom one because I don't know the password. Bet I did that before. Yo, clicking it here. Holy shit. Okay, so. Oh, I didn't see that, bro. Damn. Alright, bet. So, I guess we gotta check this. Okay, so nextgensolutions.com. Nextgensolutions. I'm gonna forget. Alright, close. Nextgensolutions.com. Web browser. Refresh. Okay, let's type it in because we have Wi-Fi. So www.nextgensolutions.com. Boom. Okay, nice. Take a look. Okay, we just had to take a look. It didn't say to do anything, right? We just took a look at it. Alright, so what the hell do I do? Is she gonna jump scare me here? Downloads. Download video. What's the video? 8:37 p.m. in game. I was like, damn, bro, time flew playing this game. All right, you want to download fast? Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Okay, I downloaded a video. So I gotta go to downloads. and I have a video. What the hell? Messaging. Do I have to message somebody? It's a Dagu! Hi, Dagu! Hi! It's another Dagu! Hi, Dagu! Oh, it's just a bunch of Dagus. What? Your dog's ugly, bro. XD? Shut up. Your dog is your dog's for the gays? Shih Tzu, more like shit you. Your dog's for the gays. No way. Dagu! That's loudly there, Dagu. Hi! Wow, nice view and shit, yeah. It's another Dagu. Hi, Dagu. That's a cool Dagu. That's really just being a cool Dagu. That's a sleepy Dagu. Hi. Okay, seriously now. How the hell do where do I go? This is all downloading, but I have to upload something. I'm a Nigerian prince and I want to transfer 1 million to your account. I'm giving early Christmas gift to everyone. To proceed, please reply to this message. This is 100% legit. It's not a scam. Hello, dear. Are you there? Go fuck yourself. Wow. Bro, where the hell do I go, gang? Bro, I'm a bad employee, bro. Next, what is it? www.nextgensolutions.com. No, I said nest. Gensolutions.com. Okay. Okay, so we're here. Take a look. Alright, do I have to download this? Download now. Oh shit. Okay. Congrats, Kenneth. You found this note. I would like to say that you are now promoted. That means you'll be doing the work of 3 people while your salary stays the... What? Just kidding. I've heard from your coworkers that you're planning to resign. Damn, who snitched on me? Yo, somebody snitched on me? Yo, go fuck yourself. You've made significant contributions to the company, and I don't want to see you go. So let's make a deal. I'll promote you and increase your salary. Just don't leave. Okay, we're all rooting for you. Get bullshit. You know, nobody rooting for me, dickhead. Anyway, make sure you drop the report on the meeting room table. After that, you can go home. Oh, okay. You know, we're all family here at this company. That sounds like a threat. Thanks for staying. He's just assuming that I'm going to stay. Delete. Go fuck yourself. Oh, you can talk to Corey. Corey. Hey, Corey. Wake up, Corey. Play music. Hey, Corey. Play music. Hey, Corey. Stop music. I hope that's not copyright. Okay, we can get the fuck out of here. Report. Why am I crouching? Am I crouching? I feel like I'm shorter. Oh, okay. Controls to crouch. Okay, so I'm deciding whether or not to resign. This job is so stressful, especially with the toxic environment here. I mean, if you get that paper, man, don't worry about the toxic environment, gang. I wish I was in a toxic environment. You have to become toxic, right? So if you're in a toxic environment, you have to be toxic yourself. That's my motivational speech to everybody watching this. Boom. Report. Yeah, time to go home and have sleep paralysis. That's it for tonight. Time to go home and sleep. Alright, bro. We all know what's gonna happen to you. I'm telling you, yo, you gotta jerk off. This is what happens when you do no fap for too long. Right? This is exactly. This dude's on self-improvement. He has to jerk off. My diagnosis is he has to jerk off. He has to. Alright. Okay. Time to go home. Skirt. We're at home. Sleep paralysis time, gang. You know the vibes. Alright, turn on my lights. What a hell of a commute. So traffic. What a hell of a commute, so traffic. I'm so stinks. What the fuck is that English, bro? He so stinks. Okay, so I guess I have to change my clothes because he stinks. I didn't read what he said. But I don't have to worry about demons because I'm awake. I should get some clothes and head to shower. Oh, okay, so he has to shower. Nice. So he has to get some clothes and head to shower before he sleeps. So let's get these clothes, I guess, right here. Alright, we got the clothes. Alright. Time to take a bath. Nice. So he's taking a bath, not a shower. Alright, open the bathroom door. Okay, water. Bath. Wow. Space to take a bath. I bet. He's taking it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, bro, there's no water in here, gang. Yo, do you see water? Bro's is laying in the tub, bro. Is he not just laying in the tub? Why you have shorts on in the shower, in the bath, though? I've never felt this relaxed. Yes, you have. When you've taken a shower, bath naked, you felt more relaxed. I don't know why you put your shorts on. Oh my god, he's about to sleep in here? Is he about to sleep in this? Oh my god, it's gonna be terrible. Bro, oh no. No, bro, no. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You had the safety of your bed before. Now you're gonna get drowned. You're gonna pass away right here with your stupid ass shorts and your hand over your belly button. Yep. Who are you? Who are you? Oi! Chapter 3. Who are you? Bro really slept in the bath, gang. Ugh. What's happening? Wait. Oh, no. Not again. Fuck. I don't like this. I really don't like this. My god. Okay. This is gonna be scary because like everything is right there. I can see everything. I had the safety of my room before. I have nothing. No safety whatsoever. Okay. You're about to get a new job and shit. A promotion. You had so many opportunities. I moved my whole setup right there. Okay. Wow. Nice. She's no, stop, please. She likes just turning off the lights in here, gang. Okay, don't do anything. Oh my god. At least keep the... okay, I can't get jump scared if I'm ready for the jump scare. So I'm just gonna brace myself. I'm gonna grab the ends of the table. Okay, yo. You know the vibes. Alright. Prepare yourselves, guys. This is gonna be scary. I don't see anything. Nothing? I see nothing. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. I see nothing. Okay, she's taking a time or I have to move the mouse. It's one of the two. Okay, I'm gonna move the mouse, guys. Ready? Nothing. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey! Ready? Oh, she's looking. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that? She's peeking. I don't want to get too close because she might jump scare me. Okay, she's looking at me. Now what? Do I have to move it again? Try to wake up? E? Oh god, there she is again. Yeah, I saw her. Please stop, leave me alone. Bro, why did you sleep in the goddamn bath, bro? You asshole. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm really gripping on the edge of the table right now. Okay. 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 I can't do anything. Can I move my body? E to move my body? Yes or no? See or no? See or no? E to move my body? See or no? Nope. I can't do anything, gang. Try to move. I can't do that again, gang. You know the vibes. Move? I don't want to move. Hello? Is my mic sensitive? Oh, wow! Holy. Okay. You're not gonna wake up. He's not going to wake up. Let me just chill. There's no hope for this guy. This guy's a lost cause. Just sleeping and dying. They say sleep should be a relaxing state for your body. Not for this guy, no. This dude sleeps in the bath with shorts on. That's how fucked up he is. I can't wake up. It's so hard to breathe. Yeah, I pause. Oh my god. Stop. Don't come near me, please. Don't come near me. Y'all see that shit? Oh. Whoa! Oh my god, okay, yo. She's coming, she's coming. She's on my ass. No, I didn't enjoy this experience, bro. Shut up. Well, so we obviously got cooked because we slept in the bath. So that should be a moral of the story. Don't sleep in the bath, okay? Especially if you're having sleep paralysis. Disclaimer. This should be a motivational video for everyone, okay? If you're having sleep paralysis, don't sleep in the bath, okay? All in all, that was a scary game. That was a scary game. From the noise to the music, 10 out of 10 would recommend Silent Still to everyone who's just looking for a quick scare. Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video. My name is Big Sid, and see you in the next one. Take care.